Are you ready to take your project finance skills to the next level? In today's fast-paced project environment, financial acumen is key to success. That's why we've designed the Certified Project Finance Analyst program to equip you with the essential skills and knowledge to excel in project finance. From break-even analysis to cash flow management, cost-benefit evaluation, and financial budgeting, our comprehensive program covers it all. With a focus on practical applications, you'll learn how to analyze financial data, identify risks, and make informed decisions that maximize project value. Our expert instructors will guide you through the project lifecycle, from initiation to closure, and show you how to integrate financial planning at each stage. Whether you're in infrastructure, energy, or real estate, our program will equip you with the skills to succeed in high-demand roles across industries. Earn your Certified Project Finance Analyst designation and demonstrate your expertise to the world. Take the first step towards a successful project finance career. Enroll in the Certified Project Finance Analyst program today. For more information, visit us at www.worldacademy.uk.